6 Sounds of A. Welcome, and congratulations on taking this step. You are here to learn how to use pointed spelling to give beginning readers more access to written language. By applying these skills, you can speed up literacy development for the next generation. Let's get to it. The letter A is a great example of how slippery English can be. It can make 6 different sounds, arguably 7. Look and listen. This is likely a familiar sight. A. It's the long or open sound of A. It's what we hear when we make A say its name. This is also likely familiar. A. It's the short or closed sound of A. It's what we hear when we say, "I'll try my hand at math." You're less likely to recognize this symbol. This is the sound A makes in "Let's walk to the water." Ah. Some people argue that we should include a whole extra symbol for aw, which is really just the same sound as ah, but with an even more open jaw. In my experience, it isn't worth the extra work to teach the subtle distinction between these. The slight differences in pronunciation work themselves out in speech. I say, save yourself the trouble. This is what some would refer to as a schwa. It's what A says in "Above what, zebra?" When you see A coupled with an R and no markings, that's when A plus R says R, as in she has a guitar in her arms. This one is pretty cool. It's another R-controlled vowel of A. Air. It's the sound that A plus R makes in "Take care when you carry it upstairs." Notice that when I have 2 vowel letters next to each other, I make the second one silent. This aligns with the age-old teaching rhyme, "When 2 vowels go walking, the first one does the talking." It's up to you whether to brand that second vowel as silent or treat it like a contributing member of the vowel team. Those are my 6 sounds of A. A, aw, R, air. Check out the next video on consonants and the way their sounds change. And remember, access to written language is the point of literacy instruction.